What's the difference between magma and lava? Magma is melted rock that lives underground, beneath the Earth's surface. It builds heat and pressure deep inside the Earth. Did you know that melted rock is moving beneath your feet right now? When that magma erupts and reaches the surface, it's called lava. Lava is what you see flowing out of a volcano during an eruption. So remember, magma stays underground and lava flows above ground. Can you tell the difference now? This is just one of the powerful science discoveries inside Volcano Blast with the Mighty Heroes. STEM starts with curiosity and one brave question. Did you already know the difference between magma and lava? Comment magma or lava below and get ready for part two of Volcano Week tomorrow.